Our company works hard to provide top quality service to everyone, and it's always exciting when we receive a great positive review like this one. Take a look and see what others are saying about their experiences with us. We're always thrilled to hear about a happy experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top-shelf services to each and every individual. It's great to receive positive feedback, since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. You shouldn't settle for anything but the best, and we would love the chance to show you why we receive such amazing reviews. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. Don't hesitate to call us at the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.